Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can cancel one-click pay on Temu. So it basically means that if you have that on, if you just buy a product, it's going to be automatically be bought just by one click. You don't have to verify your ID and do all the stuff like that, alright? So let me show you how you guys can turn that thing off from your setting. So for that, you need to click on you at the bottom of your screen. To click on you want to click on where it says settings, which is going to be at the bottom. So scroll a bit down and click on settings. From inside settings, you will see the option called your payment methods. Click on it. Now inside of payment method, you will see the option one-click pay. Make sure you uncheck it or make sure you untick it. Once that is done, basically you have cancelled your one-click pay on Temu. Now the reason I don't have the option of one-click pay is because I haven't added any credit or debit card on Temu. Because one-click pay only works if you have a credit or debit card actively linked to your Temu account. Since I don't have that, I don't have that option. But you guys should have like a credit or debit card linked, and you will see the option called one-click pay. Just click on it and disable it. That's how you guys can cancel one-click pay on Temu. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.